Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn of AhmedDunn.com. Today I'll have another episode of Filmora tips and tricks video, and I'll show you how to audio sync in Filmora. If this is the first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support on this hybrid channel. I'm always trying new and different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more tips and tricks videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So this is Filmora 11 I'm working on today, but if you're watching this video down the road and if your Filmora interface doesn't match with mine, nothing to worry. The basics are the same. It might just look a little different. So if you would like to sync audio, what it means that you have a video clip which is, let's say for example right here, and then you recorded separate audio, which I did for example right here, and you'd like to match them. Filmora 11 or any future Filmora versions can do that, and today I'm going to show you how. So once you exported your files or video clips into the media folder, which is right here, then you have to actually put them into the timeline by dragging from here. And what I'm going to do, I'll match these two clips first, and then basically that's the way you can match all other clips. But if you're sticking with me by the end of the video, I'm just going to try something different to see if it works or not. So in order to sync the audio, you have to highlight both of them. You can do it either by just by highlighting this way with your mouse, or you can just click on the first one and then hit Control and then click on the second one again, and that's going to highlight both. Then right click anywhere within these two. So if you right click, then here you're going to see an option called audio synchronization. So if you click on here, now you're going to get a message that syncing in progress, and what it does, it's just going to sync your audio and video clip together. So if you take a look here, that they're aligned now. So if you just hit the play button,
Is this the cheapest wall charger you can find on Amazon?
so you can see that
in the description box below.
this is the same audio. For example, if I just minimize this audio from the video clip, you're going to see that it's matching.
So I was looking for a wall charger, but I didn't want to pay a lot, and I wanted to see what could be the cheapest price I can find on Amazon,
So you can see that when I'm pulling up the video volume, then it's getting kind of distorted because video microphone is never good. But when I'm pulling it down and just relying on the audio recorded separately, then it gives you very clear audio. So let's just take a look at it again.
It still gives me a wall charger that works, and I think finally I found it, and this is the name of the charger. So lucky, and today I'll just go over it very.
So basically that's how you sync audio and video in Filmora. Now I'm just going to try something to see if it works or not. So for example, let's say I don't want to sync them here in the timeline, rather I would like to sync here in the media folder. Is this going to work or not? So let's try. So I have this clip here. So here is one clip, here's another clip. So I'm just going to select them.
Hello.
And I'm going to select these two clips as well, because they're the same video and audio clip. So 4136 and 1348, 4136 and 1348 is going to be right here, and we have for this one 1341, which is right here. So now we have four clips, 1 to here and 1 to here, and they are just two different sets. And I'm going to see if I can right click here and if it works. So right click, and you can see that this option is not coming up. So the audio synchronization option is grayed out. So that means that you cannot sync audio inside the media folder. They have to be in the timeline, which is right here. Now let's say in the timeline, if you have multiple clips, multiple audios, is it possible to sync them together so you don't have to do set by set? So for example, I'm just going to highlight these four, to see if I can sync them together, and Filmora can handle like syncing them together. So in that way, let's say if you're recording a video and you have probably like 10-20 clips and 10-20 audio clips, then you don't need to do each set one by one. So I highlighted these two sets, 4 clips, and right click, and you can see that the audio synchronization option is grayed out, so that means it doesn't work. So let's go back to 2 clips again, or 1 set, and right click, and then you can see that you have that option. So what it means that in Filmora you can just like audio sync 1 set or 1 audio and 1 video, same clip together, but it doesn't have the option yet to sync multiple clips. But if you're watching this video down the road many years later, who knows, maybe they will provide or update Filmora with that option. So thank you for watching this video. For the next tip and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.